Beyond his reputation as a fierce investor, Carl Icahn's philanthropic contributions have also left a significant mark on the world. Hello, and welcome to this video about Carl Icahn, known as one of the most dangerous investors in the world. Billionaire investor, activist, and philanthropist Carl Icahn is known for being a shrewd businessman and is frequently referred to as a corporate raider. He has taken part in numerous well-known corporate takeovers and restructurings, and the business community is well aware of him. In this video, we will explore the life and career of Carl Icahn, his investment philosophy, and his influence on the financial world. Early life and career. On February 16, 1936, Carl Icahn was born in Queens, New York. His mother was a musician, and his father worked as a teacher. He was raised in a middle-class household where his parents drilled a strong work ethic into him at a young age. Icahn showed an aptitude for problem-solving as a child and displayed an interest in math and science. Icahn attended Princeton University after graduating from Far Rockaway High School and majored in philosophy there. He earned a Bachelor of Arts in 1957 and was a member of the Pi Beta Kappa Society. He worked as a stockbroker on Wall Street after graduating from college, where he gained knowledge of the financial markets and started making his own investments. Icahn established Icahn & Company, his own investing company, in 1961. He began with a modest sum of money and invested it in undervalued businesses. He immediately developed a reputation as a savvy investor and soon was in charge of millions of dollars worth of assets. Icahn increased his involvement in company takeovers and restructurings throughout the 1970s and the 1980s. He had a reputation for using forceful methods and challenging major corporations. He engaged in numerous public conflicts with organizations including TWA, Texaco, and Yahoo, and his efforts had a substantial effect on the business he attacked. Carl Icahn is currently regarded as one of the world's most successful investors, with a net worth estimated to be in excess of $20 billion. He is still active in the financial sector, and his impact is seen across the board. Investment philosophy. Carl Icahn, the legendary investor, has a unique approach to investing that revolves around the concept of value investing. His investment philosophy involves identifying undervalued companies and assets and unlocking their full potential by advocating for change. Icahn often acquires significant stakes in companies and leverages his influence to bring out improvements in management, operations, or other areas where he sees potential for growth. One of the hallmarks of Icahn's investment strategies is his focus on risk management. He carefully diversifies his portfolio, hedges against potential losses, and is always ready to sell off underperforming investments. Additionally, Icahn is not afraid to take on debt to finance his investments, but he does so cautiously, recognizing the potential risks involved. Icahn's approach to investing has earned him a reputation as an activist investor who is not afraid to challenge the status quo. While his tactics may be unconventional, they have undoubtedly been successful, and he is widely regarded as one of the most successful investors in the world. Overall, Icahn's investment philosophy centers around identifying undervalued assets, advocating for change, and managing risk. His success is a testament to the power of his approach, and his influence on the investment world is likely to continue for many years to come. Corporate takeovers. For his role in corporate takeovers and restructuring, Carl Icahn is well recognized. He has gained notoriety by using his power to promote reform in businesses that he considers to be undervalued or poorly run. Icahn frequently purchases a big share in the target firm during corporate takeovers, giving him great control over its management. He then makes use of his position to pressure management, operations, or other areas that he believes want improvement. In order to play a more significant part in determining the company's destiny, he can potentially try to get elected to the board of directors. Icahn has faced criticism for his corporate acquisition strategies, including accusations that he overly aggressively and only interested in immediate returns. But he has success in many of the companies he has targeted, and his track record speaks for itself. In the 1980s, conflict between Icahn and the airline TWA is one of the most well-known legal disputes. After acquiring a large investment in the business, he pushed for management and operation improvements. In the end, he was successful in seizing control of the business and reviving it. Icahn has been engaged in other prominent legal disputes with organizations like Texaco, Time Warner, and Yahoo. In each instance, he has utilized his power to promote reforms that he thought would increase the company's value and benefit shareholders. I will conclude by saying that Carl Icahn's engagement in company takeovers has been a key feature of his career as an investor. There is no doubt that he has been successful in many of his attempts to change firms and unlock value for shareholders, despite the fact that some of his strategies may be debatable. Icahn's influence on the financial world. Carl Icahn is a towering figure in the financial world with a long and storied career that has had a significant impact on many companies and industries. One of the ways Icahn has made his mark is through his use of activism. He has been at the forefront of a movement of activist investors who use their influence to advocate for changes in undervalued or mismanaged companies. While his tactics have been seen as controversial by some, they have also been successful in many cases, and we have set a precedent for other investors to follow. In addition, for his activism, Icahn has been a vocal critic of the current state of corporate governance, particularly with regards to executive compensation. He has been a strong advocate for greater transparency and accountability in the way companies are run, and he pushes for reforms to the way the CEOs are compensated. His outspoken views on these issues have helped to raise awareness and spark debate on the topic, leading to important changes in corporate practices. Despite his focus on activism and advocacy, Icahn's success as an investor is equally impressive. He has a long track record of identifying undervalued companies and assets, and his insights and strategies have been studied and emulated by many other investors. His reputation as one of the most successful investors in the world is well-deserved, and his influence on the financial world is likely to be felt for many years to come. Philanthropy. Beyond his reputation as a legendary investor and corporate raider, Carl Icahn has also distinguished himself as a notable philanthropist. While he has donated generously to a variety of causes, education has been a particular focus for him. He has made significant contributions to Princeton University, his alma mater, as well as to medical schools such as the Mount Sinai School of Medicine and the Icahn School of Medicine at Mount Sinai. In recognition of his philanthropy, the medical school was renamed in his honor. In addition to supporting education, Icahn has been a strong advocate for medical research. He has donated to organizations such as the Prostate Cancer Foundation and the Damon Runyon Cancer Research Foundation, and has funded research in new treatments for cancer and other diseases. Through his philanthropy, Icahn has played a virtual role in advancing medical research and helping to bring new treatments and cures to those in need. Thank you for watching our video on Carl Icahn, widely regarded as the most formidable investor in the world. We hope that you found it informative and that you gained valuable insight into his investment philosophy and the significant impact he has on the financial world. If you found the video engaging and useful, please consider liking and sharing it with your friends and subscribing to our channel to stay updated with information content on financial and investing. If you have any questions or comments about Carl Icahn or anything else related to finance and investing, please feel free to share them with us in the comments section. We are always eager to continue the conversation and learn from our viewers. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.